So let me clarify this Yamal and Arda Guler thing for the last time. See, Real Madrid, if Yamal was to be at Real Madrid, only been born. That's the fact. Barcelona fans, you don't want to believe this. If Yamal he was to play at Real Madrid, only been born, he will sit at the bench. Oh, come on. See, Barcelona, they don't have money. They cannot buy experienced players. So what they have, the Lamine or whatever, no, that's what they will use them to play. What I say, the people they have, no, the children, check Kubasi, these children, Inigo Martinez, Femi Lopez, Sam Colano. Because the Barcelona don't have players. Real Madrid, they have money to buy squad. Hendrik will not start. Arda Guler won't be started. Hendrik will come and sit at the bench. Arda Guler will sit at the bench. Yamal will sit at the bench. Even Paul Kubasi or come at the bench. You people should know this and stop bashing Arda Guler. I'm done. I'm not talking about this thing again. Oh.